Hello everyone. In our previous video of chapter 2 nutrition in animals, we have learned about the steps of nutrition, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Now in this video we'll discuss about the digestion in humans. So let's get started. We take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. As we all know, we take in our food with the help of our mouth, and it gets end up at the anus. Okay, the canal can be divided into various compartments. Here is the canal, means the whole abdomen of your body, whole part of the body, that is the canal. Canal can be divided into various compartments like buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and the anus. Okay, so students, let us know what happens to the food in different parts of the digestive tract. Okay, we will discuss about this in detail one by one. Okay, so let's get a overview of this. Okay, the food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments. The inner walls of the stomach and the smaller intestine and the various glands associated with the canal, such as salivary glands, the liver and the pancreas, secrete digestive juices. The digestive juices convert complex substances of food into simpler ones. The digestive tract and the associative glands together constitute the digestive system. Here I would like to explain this with the help of diagram. You can see, students, you can see this diagram very clearly here. Okay, students, the process of digestion, the food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments of our body. Okay, we all know we take in our food with the help of mouth, or we can say with the help of buccal cavity. What the work of buccal cavity here, or the mouth? Our mouth breaks food down into chunks, and that chunked food get into the stomach through the esophagus or pipeline. Through the pipeline it gets into the stomach. Okay, now here pancreas, liver and other glands associated with the canal, okay, they all release some digestive juices. Okay, that digestive juices convert that food which is in the stomach, converts that food into the simpler substances. That complex food convert into the simpler substances. Then when the food converts into the simpler substances, digestive enzymes turns simple particles of food into small molecules. Okay, and that molecules absorb into the blood. And after that wastage food can take out of your body with the help of anus. Okay, so this is the human digestive system, and the process of that indigestible material are expelled from the body along with some water in the form of feces through the egestion. That process is egestion, when the excretion comes out from the body. Okay, so that is the human digestive system. We will learn in detail about these all compartments in our next video. First we start with mouth. So let's learn. Here the mouth and buccal cavity. Okay, students, as we all know, food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called digestion. As we have learned in the first video of this chapter, we chew the food with our teeth and break it down into small pieces. Okay, students, you know, these tooth is rooted in a separate socket in the gums, in our gums. Okay, they rooted in a separate socket in the gums. And also students, our teeth vary in appearance, means they look different to each other and perform different functions, and also their functions are different. Okay, now you can see that this diagram. In this diagram, I would like to explain with the help of this diagram. You can see these 4 teeth, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. These 4 teeth are incisors. They are used for cutting, chewing and tearing the food. There are okay, cutting for food. There are 4 types of teeth present in the mouth. 4 टाइप के टीथ यहाँ पे होते हैं. इंसीजर, कैनाइन, प्रीमोलर एंड मोलर. ओके, तो सो फॉर टीयरिंग, cutting and chewing the food, there is the teeth are called incisors. Okay, and students, for biting and cutting the food, there are 2 canines. Okay, there are 2 canines. Here you can see 1 and this one, 2 canines. Okay, now to crushing and grinding, there are molar and premolar teeth. You can see in the diagram, molar 6 teeth are there, which is molar, and 4 teeth are there, which is premolar. You can see 6, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. These upper 3 and these upper 3 teeth are molar. Okay, 6, and this 1 2 and 1 2, this is premolar, and this is 1 and this one 2, this is canine, and front 4, 1 2 3 4, this is the incisor teeth. Okay, and students, there are 2 sets of teeth in human beings. Okay, upper jaw and lower jaw. In the lower jaw it consists 16 teeth, and in the upper jaw it consists 16 tooth, so it becomes 32. Students, in the adult human being there are 32 teeth. Okay, and what about the child? In a child from the age of 6 months to 8 years, 20 milk teeth grow. Okay, which are the temporary set of teeth. These milk teeth are replaced by the permanent set of teeth, which are 32 in number. Okay, so student, our topic of mouth and buccal cavity has been finished. Next we'll learn about the esophagus. After the mouth, the food reach in the stomach through the esophagus na, or the food pipe. So we'll discuss about the food pipe in the next video. Thank you.